Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the Realme X versus Realme 6 phone. So in the night shots. The Realme X is a 2019 model. So it launched 1 year ago, and Realme 6 it got recently launched. Uh, right now, I'll be comparing the night mode shots. Is it got improved from the last year mobile phone, or is it got okay? So let's check in this video friends, because both the phones are having same kind of close to budget range. But this the Realme 6 Realme X is the cost at like 17,999, and Realme 6 close to 14,000 depending on the variant you choose. But let's check whether the night mode shot is better from the 48 megapixel or 68 64 megapixel. So before starting the video, don't forget to check the links in description friends for the playlist of both the smartphones, so you can find plenty of useful videos as well, wallpaper, live wallpaper, and the good looking Realme 6 punch hole wallpaper, so which is specially designed for Realme 6 phone. So definitely try to check the video for that wallpaper video. So here is a video. If you are interested, try to search for the wallpaper playlist, so which will be very helpful for you all. And let's get started with this test night mode comparison. The Realme X and the Realme 6 have taken the same moon shot at night time. So let's see comparing side by side which is better. And before that, let me open the camera interface, so how it looks. So both the phones are having same kind of camera interface here in the bottom, as you can see. So both are running the latest Realme UI update version. So let me open the sample image. So by looking at the punch hole, you can identify clearly which phone is what. This is a Realme X phone, and here is a Realme 6 phone. And this is a shot which are taken from both the phones using the night shot. As you can clearly see friends, the Realme X is doing very good job in terms of the night mode shots. Even after using for 1 year, this sensor is very powerful in terms of night mode shots. So definitely if you take a look at here, so even I can see the shadow of the wall as well, so which is very good. So if you clearly observe, you can see the shadow as well. So you can see more details in the night shot, the wall color and everything you can clearly identify. So whereas in the Realme 6 phone, that's not the case. So you can see the how much is the difference in terms of night shots between both the phones. It's completely black in the Realme 6 phone. So let me open the properties and show you the resolution and size and more details side by side, so you can understand at what resolution both phones are capturing. So you can see in terms of the resolution, the Realme 6 is slightly higher than the Realme X phone, and even the size is 1.1 MB and 1.2 MB on the Realme 6. So you can see the model name as well, Realme X and 6. So let me show you the another shot which I taken in the night time as well. So this is another shot which I have taken. So if you observe here, you can see the shape of the house as well clearly, but here you cannot see that much clear in the Realme 6 phone. So this is the one difference which I noticed. And even if you take at the moon sky as well, which is very good, there is not much distraction happening in the Realme X phone. So even though the phone is 1 year old phone, but still the night shots are quite better in that phone friends, from the phone from the last year. So when you compare with the Realme 6 phone, so totally I'm very big fan of the Realme X phone. Even in the night shots, it's doing very good job as well in terms of night shots. So if you take a look at the shot which I taken last year in the night shot, which is very good, the city view of the Melbourne using the Realme X phone. So all friends, in comparison with the night shots, the Realme X is a clear winner when you compare with the Realme 6 smartphone. So even though the Realme 6 got launched recently and it's using the latest sensor and everything, better sensor than the Realme X phone, but still in terms of the night shots, I do feel the Realme X is quite superior than the Realme 6 phone. And for more videos, do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to join the Telegram group for the camera samples. So there I'll be uploading the camera samples. So thank you friends for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.